Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and this is Sandhya Singh here. Today I'm gonna share with you few tips and tricks to heal your cracked heels, and this is going to be requested video, although I'm making it a bit late, but that's okay totally. Okay, so what, I'm sorry for the background disturbance. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna share with you very simple tricks and remedies that you can use easily, that you can easily do at home to cure your cracked heels, and this is going to be really simple, affordable and effective as well. And of course it will take 2 weeks to 3 weeks, as this is home remedy, not a rocket science or chemical based product. There is no such remedy that can work like magic in one day or in one time. So let's begin with the remedy without any further talk show, and then we will see how to use it. Let's begin with the video. Okay, so I'm starting with washing my feet by using a body wash, and here I'm using Piyama body wash. And okay, so I'm gonna wash them, and I'm gonna take my stone scrubber and scrub my feet, my heels, to clean them, because it's very necessary to keep your heels, your feet clean to avoid any cracked heels. Because I think, according to me, dust and dirt and dirty heels, these are the first reason causes that cause you cracked heels. So avoid untidy and dirty heels. Keep them clean, wash them at least twice a day, and yes, that's it. When you keep your heels, your feet clean, you will see maximum in 7 days your cracked heels will get healed and you will see visible results. Okay, so after cleaning, the second step to heal your cracked heels is to moisturize them. Okay, so to moisturize them, here I am giving you three options. First is Vaseline petroleum jelly, second is coconut oil, and third is mustard oil. So I'm starting with giving you a simple remedy by mixing Vaseline and coconut oil, or you can use them individually too, but I like to use them by mixing them both really well, because it give you double effect, double impact. So I'm gonna mix coconut oil and Vaseline petroleum jelly in 1:1 ratio. Your lotion is ready. Apply this at night time after cleaning your feet, and yes, it is very effective. If you want, you can add few drops of lemon to that. Is totally optional, but I don't like to add it. So your lotion is ready. Apply this because it has really high and thick consistency. After the application of moisturizer, to lock the moisture or avoid the moisturizer to get soaked by the bed sheet or by any mean, I'm going to cover them by using a pair of socks, or you can try shrink wrap, or kind of very thin polythene, and you can use the either way, whatever source you like to use. Okay, so now I'm applying my Vaseline and coconut lotion on my heels, and you can see my feet are totally clean, like so clean. It is more fairer than my face and my skin, body skin. To lock the moisture, I am wearing socks now in one feet, and if you want, you can wear it for overnight or for 1 to 2 hours also. So that is totally optional, and it is up to you that how you would like to do it. And yes, I'm done. Okay, so in next feet, I am massaging my mustard oil, and yes, this is how you have to apply mustard oil, because mustard oil is not just a thick consistency oil, but it also has many antiseptic medical properties which helps our heels to get healed properly and quickly. It is very fast remedy and it works like wow. If you want to use any other oil, then you can go for olive oil, because it too has very thick consistency than castor oil. Okay, so this is how I wrap my feet by shrink wrap, and you can leave this for 1 to 2 hours or for overnight again. And yes, I'm done. So guys, try any given remedy according to your availability and suitability, and lock the moisture the way you like. So guys, I hope you have find this video helpful and enjoyed it. If you find these tips and tricks helpful, and if you like it, then let me know in comment section. Leave your queries, your questions in comment section. If you have any kind of confusion, just let me know. I will be back soon in my next video. Till the next time, take care, have a very nice day. Bye bye.